So let's talk about AI. Have you ever stopped and wondered, is this thing going to be my biggest career threat or my absolute greatest advantage? Well, let's find out right now. I mean, AI is just, it's everywhere, right? You're seeing it all over the news. It's probably filling up your social media feeds, and it feels like everyone has a hot take on it. And with all that noise, it's so easy to feel kind of overwhelmed, maybe a little confused. Is it a threat to your job, or is it the single most powerful tool you can get your hands on to just accelerate your career? We are going to clear all of that up. Okay, so here's the plan. In just the next few minutes, we're going to cut right through all the hype. My promise to you is that by the end of this, you are going to have a crystal clear understanding of what AI really is, how we even got here so fast, and, this is the most important part, what it all actually means for you. All right, first things first. To really get a handle on its power, we've got to start with the basics. So, what is artificial intelligence? Let's break it down, nice and simple. So, at its core, AI is really all about creating systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions, kind of like humans do. Now, the key phrase here, the real magic ingredient, is this part, without direct instructions. See, this isn't just a computer program following a rigid set of rules. We're talking about building machines that can genuinely problem solve and figure things out on their own. Okay, let's make this super practical. Think about it like this. You've got a class that starts at 7:30 in the morning. Nobody hands you a step-by-step manual on how to get there, right? You just know. Your brain just automatically figures out when to wake up, the best way to get there, what you need to grab before you leave, all of that. Well, AI is basically trying to teach a machine how to do that exact kind of independent thinking. You know, it really feels like AI just exploded onto the scene overnight, doesn't it? But the truth is, these ideas have been brewing for decades. So how did we get from just a cool concept to these incredibly powerful tools that are changing everything? Let's do a quick flyby of its history. Okay, it all kicked off back in the 40s with a simple test, basically asking, hey, can a machine think like a person? Then in the 50s, we got the official term, artificial intelligence. Fast forward to the 60s, and machines started to talk, thanks to the very first chatbots. The 80s gave us expert systems, which were amazing at solving problems in one specific area. And then, 1997. This was huge. IBM's Deep Blue gets the big win, beating the world chess champion. That was a massive moment. The 2010s brought the deep learning revolution, which just poured gasoline on the fire, making AI way more powerful. And that leads us right to today, where AI can actually create brand new stuff. Text, images, even computer code. Wow. From just a test to create, what a ride. Okay, but like any really powerful technology, AI is, well, it's a double-edged sword. It has some absolutely incredible upsides, but it also comes with some very real challenges that we need to be smart about. So let's take a look at both sides of the coin. So let's talk about the trade-offs. On one hand, you've got this amazing efficiency. AI can automate all those boring, repetitive tasks, which frees us up to do more creative, important work. But the flip side of that is the very real concern about job displacement, or think about personalization. It's awesome when you get that perfect movie recommendation, right? But for that to happen, the AI needs your data, and that brings up some major questions about privacy and security. So what's the big takeaway here? It's really all about balance. The whole game is about figuring out how to maximize AI's incredible strengths, like its speed and accuracy, while we work really hard to solve for its weaknesses, things like fairness and privacy. That's the challenge. All right, enough of the big concepts and the history lessons. Let's bring this down to earth, because you might be thinking AI is some futuristic thing from a sci-fi movie, but I've got news for you. You are already using it every single day. Just think about it. That time Netflix recommended a show you ended up binging all weekend, that's AI. When you ask Siri or Alexa for the weather, yep, that's AI too. That little chatbot that pops up on a website to help you out, or when your bank sends you a text about a weird charge on your card, you guessed it, it's all powered by AI. It isn't coming soon, it's already here, woven into the background of our daily lives. Which brings us to the million-dollar question, the one that really matters. So what? What does all this mean for you, for your career, for the skills you need, for your entire future? And let's be really clear about this. This isn't just for coders or people in tech jobs anymore. Not even close. AI is reshaping literally every industry you can think of. Healthcare, finance, marketing, even the creative arts. And understanding why this is happening is the key to making sure you come out on top.
So why is it such a game changer? Well, it really boils down to three big things. First, there's innovation. AI is creating totally new products and services we never thought possible. Then there's scalability. It lets businesses do things on a massive scale, like recommending products to millions of people all at once. And finally, there's agility. It helps companies make smarter decisions way faster. Innovation, scalability, and agility. That's the combo that's changing everything.
Okay, let's wrap this up. If you remember nothing else from this explainer, I want you to lock in these 4 key takeaways. First up, AI is a tool, plain and simple. It's not magic, it's a powerful tool we can use. Number 2, data is the fuel. And AI is only as good as the data you feed it. Garbage in, garbage out. 3, it's double-edged. You gotta be smart about it. Embrace the good stuff, but be aware of the challenges. And finally, number 4, you already use it. This isn't foreign territory for you. You interact with AI all the time, so you've already got a head start. So I want you to leave here with a different mindset. The future isn't about you competing with AI. It's not about man versus machine. The real opportunity, the real secret to success, is learning how to work with it. It's about becoming the person who knows how to use this incredible tool to do amazing things. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Enhance Smart Skills for more videos like this.